Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabby if you're new here. Hi, welcome. Hope you're doing well. Today we have a weird video. It's weird for me per se because I don't really do unboxings or tech reviews on this channel because, you know, I'm not rich, can't afford everything. But I thought I would do a little unboxing of this beauty here, which is the 2020 Macbook Pro 13-inch. Hopefully this will help you discover if you want to buy or maybe save some money this year. I don't know. Anyways, let's just get into the video. This is probably not gonna be the most professional review you've ever seen because I'm not a tech guru genius.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy.
So this is the 13-inch 2020 MacBook Pro in space gray, which is pretty cute. We were talking about how we think Mac should make a matte black because we think it'd look really cool. I don't want to be a heathen. Oh god, I don't want to get fingerprints all over this. Wow, look at it. I hear the angels. I know, I hear the angels singing. Wow, isn't she a beauty? Wow. That was spooky. Does it always do that?
I don't know.
You guys just missed it. She started talking to me.
For instructing.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader.
So the computer has now been set up. We're on iTunes right now. But I just want to talk about some of the features of this if you're not aware. So I pulled up the Apple website so I can sound smart because I'm not actually that smart. So basically this is the 13-inch display and it features the touch bar and touch ID, which is right up here, which is so fancy. And then it has turbo boost, has the magic keyboard and 13-inch retina display and some other really big words that I'm not gonna even try to say because I don't want to sound like an idiot. This computer comes with the 256 gigabytes, which was an upgrade from last year's computer that had 128. So the escape key has made its entrance once again because clearly people are not happy with not having it. I don't know why they would take away the escape key in the first place. You know, why would you take that away? It's like essential to every keyboard. Also, personally, in my opinion, all the Macs look the same. So it's not like you see somebody have this and you're like, oh my god, you have the 2020 Mac? No, they all look the same. So like Apple, this is a message to you. So this one was starting at $1,300 and 16-inch starts at $2,400, which is a little bit crazy. You can get up to $2,800. So I think the 13-inch display is a really good size. I mean, look at it. Like it's a pretty, I'd say it's a pretty good display. Yeah, so the most expensive one's gonna have a higher processor. This is the 8th generation, the other one is 10th generation. So, I mean, unless you're running like a really intense application, like the basic one is gonna be good for you anyways. It's still gonna run just fine. Like it's not gonna be like slow in any way, but yeah. I do think the touch bar is really cool because I've never had a computer with a touch bar. So I think that's a step in the right direction from Apple, but I think that they could still incorporate a touchscreen and I feel like, they have the iPhone for God's sake, which is a complete touchscreen like device. Why aren't their computers also touchscreen? I feel like Apple likes to change little minor things and then upsell it to you.
Yeah.
So I mean, if you're not in immediate need for a computer, I don't think it's necessary to upgrade. So don't feel like you're missing out on too much personally. But I think it's still a good computer if you want to treat yourself. Yeah, I think this is a good Mac for editing, video editing, music editing. It has good capability for that. I don't think it'd be good for heavier programs because obviously no laptop can really handle them, but I think if you're using it for school or for like YouTube or something like that, it's a really good Mac. Doesn't seem like it'll poop out on you after that, so that's good. Alright guys, that's the 2020 MacBook Pro unboxing and mini review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you did like it, let me know what you guys think. Do you think it's a waste of money? Do you think it's a good upgrade? I would like to know your thoughts because, I mean, clearly the money has been spent. Can't wait to use it a little bit more and see how it performs that way, but I think it's gonna do just fine. Let me know what you think down below. Alright, I'll see y'all in another video. Peace.